Alright, they're double locked, so they will not get any tighter. Go ahead and sit up for me. We're gonna walk out to my police vehicle now.
Okay, I'll put my shoes on. Please. Can't believe you guys are real, honestly.
It's very for real. You continued to believe it wasn't, so...
What?
When you ran away from us. Go ahead and stand up.
Yeah, that's not... You guys you're hurting my arm, man. There's no need for that.
Okay.
Like, seriously, why
We're walking to my car. Stop.
Okay, well, you're hurting my arm.
Okay, and we're gonna walk to my car.
I'm not doing anything, any force like that.
Okay.
Why are you doing that?
Because this is how we escort people. This is literally called the escort position for police officers.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. And you're gonna keep doing nothing wrong.
Are you threatening me or what?
No, you're gonna keep... Stop, Jesus. Jesus, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I didn't do anything.
You did. You just tried to pull my arm.
You fucking asshole. You broke my fucking face, stupid fuck.
Why did you...
Look at that shit you did, you fucking dick.
Why did you pull away from
No, I
me,
didn't.
Jesus?
See how you fucking treat people, motherfucker.
Hey, can we get...
See how you do shit when I didn't even do anything.
Hey, Zeus, you pulled away from me and you tensed up exactly like you're doing right now. 211, we're gonna need a supervisor over here. Sir, can I check out your head?
I'll put some gauze on your head.
Let me look at it, okay? Hey, Zeus, I had no desire to do that, but you tensed up and started to pull away.
Everybody's seen you here. I didn't
Correct.
do anything.
It's on camera.
That's how I treat people all the fucking time.
Yep,
the
it's
same
on
shit.
camera.
Hold on. I'm just trying to look at your forehead real quick,
You hear
okay?
me? You're knocking me out for nothing. You fucking asshole. Like all your fucking bullshit ass charges you
No,
trying to
because
say.
you started pulling
Everybody's
away.
seen you here.
Okay, I'm just letting you know it's
Fucking
because you started pulling away.
Is there anything or what?
No, you're gonna keep Stop.
Don't fucking threaten me.
Hey, Zeus, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I didn't do anything.
You did. You just tried to pull my for police officers. Okay. And you're gonna keep doing nothing wrong.
Is there anything or what?
No, you're gonna keep Stop.
Don't fucking threaten me.
Hey, Zeus, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I didn't do anything.
You did. You just tried to pull my arm.